Welcome to Livermore in McLean County, Kentucky.
So Livermore has a total population of 1,046 residents, and that's about 1,009 people per square mile. The demographics here, the median age is 40 years old. Chickens back there.
Chicken coop. Looks like someone tried to break in that shed.
Look at the size of those banana trees. Cool.
Hanging on for dear life.
Right next to the Livermore Baptist Church.
Interesting. Was one of them First Baptist and this one is
I don't know.
regular Baptist?
I don't know, but they look like they're both still operational.
Oh yeah. Look, this one's got some nice pretty stained glass windows.
The income is $27,432.
Oh,
Fairly low, while the median household income is also $24,883.
gonna head up into the local cemetery.
Those crypts seem to be broken into.
We've seen better days. It's kind of sad nobody's done a little bit to try and rehab that and take care of it.
This looks to be one of the higher points in the city.
Somebody's got a prime location up there on the hill. Ooh, there's some tight roads.
Several recent graves there.
Goodness.
Poverty rate here in Livermore is fairly low. 26% of children under the age of 18 are in poverty level, and only 18% of seniors ages 65 and older. A nice garden.
And a
here
garden in the
front
front yard.
Yeah.
And a stove pipe sticking out of the window.
So here in Livermore, there are 491 households, 2.1 people per household. 58% of residents here are married. Median home value is $122,000.
It's pretty affordable.
Yeah.
Duplex. Oil pump. Mexican restaurant.
La Cabana.
Every town's got 10. Their pumpkins have seen a little better days. One's kind of rotted and fallen in. That building's been rehabbed, it looks like. Got a fresh coat of paint.
Nice old church, the Livermore Baptist Church.
Looks like they have a little bit of this and that.
They've got some junk.
Old RV.
There's the old chicken coop back there. Kind of like the green.
Yeah, green and white reminds me of Anna Green Gables.
Yeah, I can see that.
Up around Prince Edward Island.
I can see that.
Nah, I don't think anybody lives there. I think it's abandoned. Livermore Elementary School. Wonder what those were.
Oh.
I guess, were they supposed to be like flower beds?
Pink door.
Pink board, pink pumpkins. This road ends in a boat ramp, so if you're ever in the area, be careful. Don't want to end up down there.
Pretty view of the river, though.
It is a nice view of the river.
And a tank.
Tank.
Overlooking the river.
A nice pavilion. Got a nice path, walking path on the river. It's a cute little small town.
That'd be a cool house to have right there on the water.
Looks like somebody's working on a little bit. It's got some new windows.
I don't know what this is. Is that a house or is that a...
I don't know.
Kind of looks like a house, doesn't it?
Yeah, kind of, and I think it is. I think maybe somebody does live there.
It says welcome on it.
Small skate park. Few ramps.
What is that? Is that like a steam engine?
Maybe it's an old steam engine.
Thunderbird.
Old Thunderbird.
Look at the Coca-Cola back there.
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't that cool?
You can almost kind of see where the water line is on this house over here. Yeah, I felt like you can see where the water came up this year when we had the flood.
Here on the right is the Livermore Water Treatment Plant.
Oh, look at all those old blow molds.
Oh yeah, that's neat.
Those are some fun vintage ones.
In the help office. That's cool.
Hothead's Beauty Salon, where they'll set your hair on fire.
That's cool.
Or make you look fire. No, maybe either way. It's a pretty brilliant business plan. Mini storage right at the trailer park.
To not buy a trailer without contacting. Interesting. Got a pile of it. Right there about the dumpster.
Couldn't quite make it.
Didn't quite make it. It's kind of like the laundry basket in our bathroom.
You can't quite make it.
I like the little boat. Good place to put your plants. And there's the old smoke shop, which looks like it's no longer operational.
Well, I think we've about seen it. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you next time.